Ooh, 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 ooh.
I've been thinking about you. Hey, natural skin, smooth. You feed me too. Shot it, you gotta choose. Shot it, look good with no makeup.
What's up, Shay Team? It is your girl Shay Natural here, and I'm back with a video. I said I'm back with a video. I said I'm. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shay Natural here, and I am back with another video. Is my sound a little like off? It's because I am in the bathroom, and y'all know how the bathroom do. Y'all know how the bathroom do, and I don't have my microphone right now. Y'all know how that bathroom be doing a little echo thing. So I really do truly apologize about that, guys. But what is up, guys? So today I showed you. Hold on. Y'all, hold up. I'm excited, cause sis, look at my edges. Sis, look at my edges. Check them, sis. Check them out. If you guys are caught up on my previous videos, y'all know I've been having I haven't been having problems with doing my edges, but I be wanting to do my edges a certain way and they just don't get done. Especially when I'm on camera. It'd be so hard to do my edges on camera. But these, I feel like a true YouTuber now. I didn't feel like a true YouTuber, bruh. Everybody had their edges all swoopy and sleeky and fleeky, and I was just out here with regular ass edges and shit. Like I didn't feel legit. I feel legit now though. Without further ado, let's get into the. What's up, guys? So I am about to attempt to do my edges. Y'all know, if y'all seen any of my past videos, if y'all haven't, go check them out. But if y'all have seen any of my past videos, y'all gonna see like my edges don't do right when I'm on camera. Like they only do right when I'm off camera. They don't like to do right when I'm on camera. So today we are about to see what they want to do. My eyes are so puffy, guys. Please don't mind that. But yeah, we're about to see what they're about to do right now on camera. And yeah, so y'all pretty much know the basics of edges, so I'm really about to just do them and speak through so y'all can see like how I do mine. Let's do this. Now, I've never done my edges like this. I'm not even gonna make it seem like I be doing them like this a lot. This is my first time trying to do them like this. So, yeah, we finna see how they finna come out. And if they be good, I'm gonna be like, And if they not, I don't care. So I kind of sort of a little bit ran out of my Eco, so I'm actually gonna mix it with my Gorilla Snot. I'm gonna mix it with my Gorilla Snot, guys. This is like my second or third time using this stuff. My mom had bought it and it was just in the house. And like I said, I'm running out of my Eco, however y'all want to say it. So we finna do some of this, and I like to kind of mix them up, and it gives me a pretty nice hold. So yeah.
Make it up, take you down, have a shot, I bought around, play my songs, you like the sound, it's going down, it's going down. Let's drink coffee, watch passerbys, and prove to you I'm not the average guy. It's just my flaws that they magnify.
Your girl swooping and sleeking and fleeking.
I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away.
Alright, that was it for my video on how I did my edges. Hold on. I'm being so childish right now, but y'all don't even understand. Like, I always see people do their edges and they be all like this. And I really be trying and it just don't work out. So I'm so excited. Like, I should not be this excited about no edges, but I am. Leave me alone. Let me have my moment. Let me shine. Okay? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Now, I was going to try that thing where people do, you know, a little swoop, but I like my curl. I like my curl. I like having little curlies on the side of my hair. So, yeah, I didn't do that. But check the edges though. Check the edges though. Check the edges though. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. Okay, if you haven't seen any of my previous videos, go check those out. My ear is like popping. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys. I love you.
Oh, you got a man, but that shit is cool, right? And if you like, you can stay for the night. Don't stay for the love, don't stay for